Good morning. Yeah, guys. Hi, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're well and truly so. Yeah, back to vlogging. Yeah. So this is going to be an interesting one as usual. It's a Friday, and that means preparation day. I woke up and, of course, showered and had my devotion. Had devotion. Joined. There's a team that I usually pray with in the morning. GYC Europe United Prayer Team. If you're looking for people to pray with, I can link it in the description box. We meet every weekday from 7 to 7:30, and then weekends 8 to 8:45. Anyway, so while after doing all that, I'm about to take my breakfast, and then we get going, like get on with the preparation for the day. So I was thinking, how about I just tag you guys along? Yeah. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Come with me as I do the things that I had planned for today as we prepare for the Sabbath tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and of course it blesses someone. Yeah, let's go. So for breakfast, basically I'm just going to have a bowl of oats with bananas, and then I'll tell you what next in a few. So see you after I am done eating. Guys, before we continue the rest of the day, we need to put in that hour for language class. So yeah, we're going to learn Polish for a bit before we get going.
Cześć kochani! In this session we are leveling up and we are learning how to talk about ourselves and the world that surrounds us and other people with a little bit more detail in a more descriptive way. And for that reason we are going to learn the adjectives. Przymiotniki. Przymiotniki. The topic of today's lesson is jaki, jaka jesteś, what are you like? Okay. Let's get started. Okay.
Guys, more than an hour later. Anyway, so I need to do the quiz, and then basically we're done with this section. We're in module 13. Yep. And then now we get going to prepare for tomorrow. Guys, it's a few hours later. I'm done with studying. It's around 2 p.m. And I'm just thinking, it's been a while since I started attending. Oh, there are people moving out there. Anyway, it's been a while since I started attending the church that I'm going to. I don't usually go there every Sabbath because sometimes I'd travel to other churches, or I'll be in Warsaw. So in the last maybe 5 months, it's the church that have been there at least once a month. Let me say that. And they usually have potluck. People bring in whatever they have to share. I'm just thinking they've never, at least for me, they've never had anything Kenyan. Of course, I can make chapatis, which is the best for, like, let's say lunch or dinner. But it's going to be a lot of work. And as I said, it's already 2 and I don't have a lot of time. Because again, as you can see, my hair is not looking the best. I need to also do my hair. So we will do mandazis. They're faster. I hope they will love them. So yeah, it's at this point that I'm going to say that it's the thought that counts. I don't know what I'm getting here on my lip, and it's kind of painful. So yeah, let's do mandazi for church for tomorrow. And yeah, come along. So basically these are all the ingredients for those who don't know how to make mandazis. Okay, I make mine very simply. You have the flour, I have the milk, and then there's the baking powder. I'm thinking of adding cinnamon, of course sugar, and little bit of oil. Yeah, and that's just about it. So let's get started. I'll just put a time lapse so that, don't keep you guys. But basically we're ready. So So guys, yeah, there goes the dough. I'm going to let it rest for maybe around 30 minutes. I need to wash my hands and clear up the place so that we can get to rolling. And this time around, I made the flour. I need the flour. I need the flour with cold water. I said cold milk. I usually use warm milk, but then I just went ahead and kneaded the dough with milk from the fridge. So I hope it will come out well. I've never tried with cold milk, but let's see. Yeah, prayers up or fingers crossed, depending on whatever. So I'll see you when I'll be cutting the dough into small pieces. Guys, because of time, I don't think I'm going to wait a whole 30 minutes. So I'm just working the dough. Basically, still cold. I want to start. Oh, you cannot see. I want to start cutting them. Yeah, and I think, let me see. You can just as well just show you at the beginning and then put a time lapse, because yeah, we don't really have the luxury of time. So with the remaining flour, and this is a small one, but anyway, allow me to it's harder when you know you're being recorded. Do you get anything? Now I understand why my friends don't like it when I record them. If they're cooking for me, they're like, no, don't record. Actually, for guys, this is just an example. I do better shapes for chapatis. I just want to show you an example for those who don't know how to make mandazis. I don't like rolling them too much. So when it's a bit thick on one side. And I also don't want it to be a really long video. So I'm just going to cut this as I feel like it is rushed. But anyway, it's fine. And then I'll just cut them into small. Just let me put this small sections. Yeah. So, guys, I will put a time lapse so you've just seen an example of how this goes. Yeah. So, guys, this is the last one. Yeah, that took us not a long time, honestly. So yeah, I'll just finish up on this, and then we now go and fry them. Again, as I said, I don't usually like making this is thin. So I think it's okay. Oops. Okay. So I'll cut this. When you're doing it when the video is on, you're so cautious. Anyway, I think it's the end product that matters at this point. So I'm like, if I start caring all the little things, we don't have time for that at this point. So I'll make this longer because it's a bit thin in the center. Yeah. Anyway, so that is the last one, and now let's go fry them. Guys, so I piled all of them up. Long story. Anyway, the oil is ready, and that's where we're going to be keeping them. So, and we'll begin. Actually, I should find a way to place you guys, because when I put them in oil, oh, that was too hot. I like to tap them a bit. It's how many of those? Ooh, it is too hot, guys. That's too hot. Okay, once I switch on the air, you're not going to hear me even. I like to tap them like this so that they can become a bit fluffy. I don't know if that makes sense. They're almost too hot. I'm not sure how we're going to do this, like vlogging while cooking. I'll be holding this thing. Of course it has its own. I should find a way to place you guys somewhere. I don't want it to be burned. Which it is already. Not even sure if you guys can hear me, but anyway. The oil is too hot. Fine. First batch is buns, so guess that those will be mine. Yeah, they don't look good. I am thinking I should probably lower the heat first. I'll turn it off completely so that, yeah, let me do that. I'm assuming the oil is a bit more cool compared to the first time. Let's just see. I like my mandazis light brown, but the first two batches, nah guys, that is not good. And as much as I'm saying I'll be the one to eat those ones, but I know I also want to enjoy the mandazis themselves. For those wondering what am I doing, I told you I learned this hack that to make them more fluffy you need to tap them. I don't know if that's true. I guess I've always been doing this since I learned it. Yeah, I think the oil is more cool, so it's not like they're not burning. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, now they look like mandazis that I like. I don't know what's yeah, anyway, it's fine. It is supposed to taste them. If they like them, well and good. See, perfect. Guys, compare and contrast this batch and the past two batches. Anyway. And we're done. We had a bit of extra. Anyway, I'll need to sort them out because the ones that are at the bottom are burnt, and I'm not going to take those to church, so I need to remove all this to get to the bottom and then put them back again. Yeah. So with that, I'll catch you right after I've sorted this out, or in the next thing that I'll be going to do. Guys, before I go, I feel bad. Okay, this is how I prefer my mandazis. Of course, at some point I started with, as you can see, I started with a lot of heat. You already saw in the video. And I'm feeling bad. I feel like this is a lot of mandazis that someone would have tasted. I don't know if they're going to like it, but anyway, I just feel like, yeah, I'll eat them, of course. I'm not going to throw them away. But I just feel like, and again, this is such a good amount to take still to church. It's what, like, everyone brings something small. But I just feel like, this also would have made it. Actually, I've not tested them. I hope they're nice. Because otherwise then I'll end up with all of this to eat. So, yeah, that's about right. If this is the first time seeing mandazis, they're not supposed to look like this, and I'm sorry to my people that I embarrassed you. Yeah, this is the better, yeah, look. Rather how I like them, at least. Anyway, the light brown ones. It's the thought that counts. It's not so sugary as I would. Okay, I usually put mine like more sugar than this, but then I know. Okay, I'll withdraw that statement. I hope they will like it. For me, it feels plain. Yeah, maybe I should have made it a bit sweeter. Let's just say more healthy. It doesn't have a lot of sugar. Yeah. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Packed, ready for tomorrow, and I need to get myself ready for tomorrow. On to the next thing or activity for the day. So it's around 4:40. I'm going to read the lesson for this week's lesson. Had checked it a bit, didn't finish anyway, so I'm going to go through that, and then later we'll have dinner. There's a prayer meeting with the WOSO team at around 6:30, and then basically we'll call it a day. So we are in lesson 6, confidence only in Christ. Last week we had shining as lights in the night, and I like reading the teacher's PDF, because so okay, let me get to it. Guys, I'm trying to read the lesson, but then the camera is on my face and I'm like, so because I want to concentrate on this, like fully, as though I'm the one leading the lesson teaching, like as though I'm the one who will be teaching tomorrow. And even if I am not, but still I just want to focus on it. So I want to stop recording. So that I have my full mind focused on, not that I'm thinking, oh, there's a camera in front of me. No. I don't want that. And also, as I said, it's almost 5 p.m. if not yet. 5:03. So I'll read this probably for the next hour and then have dinner at around 6. And I know you've not seen me cooking dinner. That's because I have some food from yesterday. So I'm like, we'll just have that for today. So I'll have dinner. And then after that, as I said, there's a prayer meeting with the WOSO team. I still attend prayers. So I'll attend that I'll attend the meeting or the prayer meeting. And then after that, I'll just wind down. So basically this is a day in the life on a Friday, preparing for the Sabbath. Of course, I didn't have too much today, like there was no cleaning and all that. This time around I haven't cleaned on a Friday. I'll do that on Sunday. So for now, thank you so much for tagging along, and I want to end this video from here. At first I thought, maybe I should do the entire weekend. Maybe we'll do that next weekend. Next weekend we're supposed to travel. Let's see if I'll be around. Okay, either way I'll record. If I'll travel, I'll record. If I'll be around, I'll still record. But thank you so much for watching until this point. I don't know when you'll be watching this, if it will be the day before the Sabbath. Happy Sabbath. And happy whatever day you're going to watch this again. Love and light. Bye.